Hi everyone.
Hello.
My name is Dr. Ariana and this is my amazing husband, Dr. Jay Anderson. I'm a traditional naturopathic doctor and my husband is a chiropractic physician. Our practice is called Anderson Family Chiropractic and Naturopathic Care, and we are located in the beautiful city of Waterville. And we just celebrated our 18th anniversary of practicing here. We love our patients. We work together to achieve our mission, which is to help our patients achieve their God given purpose through revitalized natural health by moving, eating, and thinking well. One thing that our patients tell me that they love the most about my husband is how much attention he gives to educate them about their nervous system and how it relates to their wellness strategy. He loves his patients and takes a lot of time to partner with them in their quest for optimal health. With that, I'll pass it over to him so he can tell you a little bit more about his side of the shop.
Well, hi, I'm Dr. Jay Anderson. I am a Palmer grad. I graduated from Palmer College of Chiropractic all the way in Davenport, Iowa, back in 2002. Some of the chiropractic techniques that I do are diversified, activator, Gonstead, Thompson drop, and I also do extremity adjusting. Now we have also three major phases of care in our office. First is what we call the initial intensive care. That's mainly designed just to get you out of the pain that you're experiencing. It goes towards the correction of a condition. Now everybody wants to get adjusted once or twice, be cured for life. That tends not to happen. But I always aim for that. But we're always trying to help improve people's health. The next phase is reconstructive care. It's more preventive measures. It prevents those aches and pains from coming back. But then our biggest part of our practice, that's our well patient phase. That's just essentially when people, they're doing good and they're feeling good and they want to stay like that. And it's so much easier to stay healthy than it is to get healthy. I've seen so many people throughout the years where they've gotten really good, they've felt fantastic, and then as time goes on, they're like, well, I think I'm good. I'll come back when I can't feel my feet, or whatever type of condition. And it's like, well, it's not a good strategy. How about we keep you well? And then they realize that, hey, that's a great idea. They're tired of going on that roller coaster of health. They like to stay on that nice upward stream there. So any way that you like to be cared for here through initial intensive care phase, reconstructive care, or wellness, I'm here to help. So I'll give you back to my wife.
Well, and so on my side of the shop, I help support and guide our patients by creating design clinical nutrition programs that help them with their long term health goals. Many people have tried to stay on wellness programs and found three common difficulties. Number one is there are so many diets out there and they've read about them, they just don't know which ones are healthy and which ones are right for them. Number two, they've seen a million articles about supplements that will help them with different systems, but there's so many of them that it makes their mind spin and they have no idea which ones would be right for them. And number three is that they have found that they need an accountability partner to help them stay on target, and that's where I can be helpful. My main modality is actually called nutrition response testing, which is a form of applied kinesiology. It uses neurological reflexes to uncover challenges in the nervous system, the organs, and glands in the body. It also helps us to uncover underlying stressors on those systems, which could be things like heavy metals, chemicals, foods, and immune challenges. The best aspect of this modality is that it helps us to see what specific nutrient deficiencies each individual has, because each of you are unique and different, and so each program we design is tailored specifically to the individual.
Well, it's great communicating with you. Feel free to give us a call at 419-878-8312, or you could email us at afcwellness@hotmail.com. You can also visit us on our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. It's AFC Space Wellness. Hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye now.